County in southeastern Oklahoma, central Clay County in northern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Lone Grove to 7 miles north of Roboton to near Oxford to 7 miles north of Henrietta, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The strongest storm with the biggest hail was located between Wilson and Roboton, moving east-south-southeast. Hazard: golf ball-sized hail per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Henrietta, Marietta, Lone Grove, Wilson, Dixon, Sankerville, Terrell, Leon, Overbrook, Roboton, Lake Murray, Bernaville, Lebanon, Grady, Oscar, Western Lake Texoma, Oakland, Courtney, and Petersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.